San Francisco Airport, ATIS Information Delta, time 1505 Zulu, wind variable at 3, visibility 10, temperature 15, dew point 12, altimeter 3003. Remarks: no intersection departures, no pattern work allowed, no light aircraft accepted at this time, straight out departures only, use of departure and arrival procedures recommended, landing runways 28 right and 28 left, departing runways 1 left, 28 right and 28 left, advise on initial contact, you have information Delta. San Francisco Airport. San Francisco ground, Delta 263 Alpha Kilo, ready to taxi with information Delta. Delta 263 Alpha Kilo, taxi to runway 1 left, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 1 left, Delta 263 Alpha Kilo.
San Francisco ground, JetBlue 737 Super.
JetBlue 737 Super, pushback approved, expect runway 1 left.
Pushback approved, JetBlue 737 Super.
San Francisco ground, Victor Tango Bravo Sierra Delta, ready for pushback with information Delta. Victor Tango Bravo Sierra Delta, pushback approved. Pushback approved, Victor Tango Bravo Sierra Delta.
United 333, request permission to cross runway 28 left.
United 333, cross runway 28 left.
Crossing runway 28 left, United 333. San Francisco ground, United 333, request taxi to parking.
United 333, taxi to parking at your discretion.
Taxiing to parking, United 333.
San Francisco ground, all Nippon 318 Super, ready for pushback with information Delta. All Nippon 318 Super, pushback approved. Pushback approved, all Nippon 318 Super. San Francisco ground, Golf Romeo.
San Francisco ground, JetBlue 737 Super, ready to taxi with information Delta.
Golf Romeo November Golf Oscar Heavy, pushback approved, expect runway JetBlue 737 Super, taxi to runway 1 left, contact tower when ready. San Francisco ground, Victor Tango Bravo Sierra Delta, ready to taxi with information Delta.
Taxiing to runway 1 left, JetBlue 737 Super.
Victor Tango Bravo Sierra Delta, taxi to runway 1 left, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 1 left, Victor Tango Bravo Sierra Delta. San Francisco ground, Golf Romeo November Golf Oscar Heavy, ready to taxi with information Delta. Golf Romeo November Golf Oscar Heavy, taxi to runway 28 left, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 28 left, Golf Romeo November Golf Oscar Heavy. San Francisco ground, all Nippon 318 Super, ready to taxi with information Delta. All Nippon 318 Super, taxi to runway 1 left, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 1 left, all Nippon 318 Super. San Francisco ground, United 8 Victor Mike, ready for pushback. United 552, exit runway when able, contact ground on the taxiway. Wilco, United 552. San Francisco Tower, Victor Tango Bravo Sierra Delta, ready for departure in sequence at runway 1 left, remaining in the pattern.
San Francisco Tower, Air Force 303 Super, inbound on the ILS runway 28 left.
San Francisco Tower, Victor Tango Bravo Sierra Delta, ready.
San Francisco Tower, JetBlue 737 Super, ready for departure at runway 1.
JetBlue 737 Super, line up and wait runway 1 left. Victor
Line up and wait runway 1 left, JetBlue 737 Super.
Victor Tango Bravo Sierra Delta, avoid sending duplicate messages. Holding short runway 1 left, Victor Tango Bravo Sierra Delta. Air Force 303 Super, enter straight in runway 28 left.
Enter straight in runway 28 left, Air Force 303 Super.
Air Force 303 Super, maintain slowest practical speed.
Maintain slowest practical speed, Air Force 303 Super.
Air Force 303 Super, number 1, runway 28 left, cleared to land.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 28 left, Air Force 303 Super.
San Francisco traffic, JetBlue 737 Super is taking off runway 1 left, departing east.
Victor Tango Sierra Oscar Uniform Heavy, exit runway when able, contact ground on the taxiway.
Wilco, Victor Tango Sierra Oscar Uniform Heavy. San Francisco Tower, JetBlue
JetBlue 737 Super, wind 350 at 3, runway 1 left, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 1 left, JetBlue 737 Super.
San Francisco traffic, Malaysian 777, taxiing to runway 28 left. San Francisco traffic, Golf Romeo November Golf Oscar Heavy, holding short runway 28 left. San Francisco traffic, Victor Tango Bravo Sierra Delta is taking off runway.
San Francisco traffic, Victor Tango Sierra Oscar Uniform Heavy, crossing runway 28 left.
San Francisco Tower, Golf Romeo November Golf Oscar Heavy, ready for departure at runway 28 left, departing east. San Francisco Tower, all Nippon 318 Super, ready for departure at runway 1 left, departing east.
JetBlue 737 Super, request frequency change.
All Nippon 318 Super, line up and wait runway 1 left.
Line up and wait runway 1 left, all Nippon 318 Super. you're in an active airspace, please contact SOCAL approach on 124.90.
Roger. Philippines 112 Heavy. Airport in sight. Philippines 112 Heavy. Philippines 112 Heavy. Disregard last message.
Flex J804 is 12 nautical miles southeast of 7R Ranch at 27,200 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 25 left at Los Angeles. Malaysian 777 is 11 nautical miles southwest of Conover Air at 24,400 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 24 left at Los Angeles. Philippines 112 Heavy, continue as filed, expect the ILS approach runway 24 right at Los Angeles. Malaysian 777, continue as filed, expect the ILS approach runway 24 right at Los Angeles. Roger. Flex J804. Turn right heading 230, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 24 right, Air Canada 265 Romeo. Turn right heading 130, United 4523. 9 Victor Lima Alpha Quebec, turn left heading 090, descend and maintain 9000.
Turn left heading 090, descend and maintain 9000, 9 Victor Lima Alpha Quebec.
United 802 Heavy, turn right heading 080, descend and maintain 4000.
Turn right heading 080, descend and maintain 4000, United 802 Heavy.
Air Canada 265 Romeo, contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8. Contacting Los Angeles Tower on 119.8, Air Canada 265 Romeo. 9 Victor Lima Echo Mike, requesting climb to 6000. United 4523, turn right heading 160. Turn right heading 160, United 4523. 9 Victor Lima Echo Mike, frequency change approved, good day. Frequency change approved 9 Victor Lima Echo Mike, good day. Gulf Air 11 Heavy, reduce speed to 280 knots.
Reduce speed to 280 knots, Gulf Air 11 Heavy.
United 4523, turn right heading 220, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 24 right approach. Turn right heading 220, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 24 right, United 4523. Gulf Air 11 Heavy, turn left heading 060, descend and maintain 6000.
Turn left heading 060, descend and maintain 6000, Gulf Air 11 Heavy.
9 Victor Lima, JetBlue 737 Super, turn right heading 080.
Turn right heading 080, JetBlue 737 Super.
United 802 Heavy, turn right heading 160.
Turn right heading 160, United 802 Heavy.
SOCAL approach, Delta 3743, with you at 10,000. Delta 3743, contact SOCAL West approach on 119.6. Delta 3743, JetBlue 737 Super, descend and maintain 4000.
Descend and maintain 4000, JetBlue 737 Super.
Philippines 112 Heavy, turn left heading, JetBlue 737 Super, reduce speed to 180.
Reduce speed to 180 knots, JetBlue 737 Super.
9 Victor Lima Alpha Quebec, turn right heading 080.
Turn right heading 080, 9 Victor Lima Alpha Quebec.
Malaysian 777, adjust speed to follow aircraft ahead. Adjust speed to follow aircraft ahead, Malaysian 777. United 802. JetBlue 737 Super, turn right heading 160, descend and maintain 4000.
Turn right heading 160, descend and maintain 4000, JetBlue 737 Super.
Turn right heading 210, descend and maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 24 right, United 802 Heavy.
Malaysian 777, turn left heading 070, descend and maintain 6000. Turn left heading 070, descend and maintain 6000, Malaysian 777. 9 Victor Lima Alpha Quebec, reduce speed to 200 knots.
Reduce speed to 200 knots, 9 Victor Lima Alpha Quebec.
Malaysian 777, reduce speed to 230 knots. Reduce speed to 230 knots, Malaysian 777. United 802 Heavy, contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8. 9 Victor Lima Alpha Quebec, descend and maintain 4000.
Contacting Los Angeles Tower on 119.8, United 802 Heavy.
Descend and maintain 4000, 9 Victor Lima Alpha Quebec.
Flex J804, turn left heading 080, descend and maintain 6000. Malaysian 777, turn right heading 080. Turn left heading 080, descend and maintain 6000, Flex J804. Gulf Air 11 Heavy, turn right heading 080, descend and maintain 4000. JetBlue 737 Super, turn right heading 220, maintain 4000 and
Turn right heading 220, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 24 right, JetBlue 737 Super.
Foxtrot Sierra Romeo Delta Echo, continue as filed, expect the ILS approach runway 24 right at Los Angeles. Roger. Foxtrot Sierra Romeo Delta Echo. 9 Victor Lima Alpha Quebec, turn right heading 160.
Turn right heading 160, 9 Victor Lima Alpha Quebec.
Gulf Air 11 Heavy, reduce speed to 200 knots.
Reduce speed to 200 knots, Gulf Air 11 Heavy.
Philippines 112 Heavy, reduce speed to 210 knots. Sokol approach, Airbus 350 Super, with you at 19,800. Malaysian 777, reduce speed to 200 knots. JetBlue 737 Super, contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8. United 4523, when able turn left, cross runway 24 left and contact ground.
Los Angeles Tower, JetBlue 737 Super, inbound on the visual runway 24 right.
Wilco, United 4523. Delta 479, hold short of runway 25 right.
Holding short runway 25 right, Delta 479.
JetBlue 737 Super, number 2, runway 24 right, cleared to land.
Number 2, cleared to land, runway 24 right, JetBlue 737 Super.
United 4523, contact Los Angeles ground on 121.65. Los Angeles Tower, Delta 3743, inbound on the ILS runway 25 left. Contacting Los Angeles ground on 121.65, United 4523. Los Angeles Tower, November 618 Romeo Lima, ready for departure in sequence at runway 25 right, departing north. Delta 3743, number 2, runway 25 left, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 25 left, Delta 3743. November 618 Romeo Lima, line up and wait runway 25 right. Line up and wait runway 25 right, November 618 Romeo Lima.
Etaro 620, request frequency change.
Los Angeles Tower, 9 Victor Lima Alpha Quebec, inbound on the ILS runway 24 right.
Etaro 620, stay on my frequency. 9 Victor Lima Alpha Quebec, number 2, runway 24 right, cleared to land.
I'm sorry, Etaro 620.
Number 2, cleared to land, runway 24 right, 9 Victor Lima Alpha Quebec.
Los Angeles Tower, Saudia 042, ready for departure in sequence at runway 25 right, departing east. Singapore 12, when able turn right, hold short runway 25 right. Delta 479, cross runway 25 right, please expedite.
1000.
Crossing runway 25 right, Delta 479.
United 802 Heavy, when able turn left, cross runway 24 left and contact ground.
Etaro 620, request permission to cross runway 25 right. Contacting Los Angeles ground on 121.65, Delta 479.
Etaro
500.
620, cross runway 25 right, please expedite.
400.
Crossing runway 25 right, Etaro 620.
300.
Los Angeles Tower, all Nippon 32, ready for departure at runway 24
200.
left, departing west. Singapore 12, request permission to cross runway 25
100.
right.
Los Angeles Tower,
50,
November
40,
863
30,
Golf
20,
Whiskey, inbound
10,
on the ILS runway
retard,
25 left,
retard.
information echo. Etaro 620, contact Los Angeles ground on 121.65. All Nippon 32, line up and wait runway 24 left. JetBlue 737 Super, when able turn left, hold short runway 24 left. Gulf Air 11 Heavy.
Wilco, JetBlue 737 Super.
Number 2, cleared to land, runway 24 right, Gulf Air 11 Heavy. Frequency change approved SkyWest 493, good day.
JetBlue 737 Super, please expedite. Delta 3743, when able turn right, hold short runway 25 right. Wilco, Delta 3743. Singapore 12, cross runway 25 right, please expedite.
Los Angeles Tower, Delta 01 Kilo, ready for departure at runway 24 left, departing south.
Crossing runway 25,
JetBlue 737 Super, cross runway 24 left.
ground on 121.65, Delta 479.
Ataro 620, cross runway 25 right, please expedite.
Crossing runway 25 right, Ataro 620. Los Angeles Tower, all Nippon 32, ready for departure at runway 24 left, departing west. Singapore 12, request permission to cross runway 25 right.
Los Angeles Tower, November 863 Golf Whiskey, inbound on the ILS runway 25 left with information echo. Ataro 620, contact Los Angeles ground on 121.65. All Nippon 32, line up and wait runway 24 left.
Line up and wait runway 24 left, all Nippon 32.
Number 2, cleared to land, runway 25 left, November 863 Golf Whiskey.
Holding short runway 25 right, Singapore 12.
Line up and wait runway 25 right, Saudi 042. All Nippon 32, wind 190 at 12, runway 2.
Crossing runway 24 left, JetBlue 737 Super.
Contacting Los Angeles ground on 121.65, Singapore 12.
Los Angeles Tower, Delta 1. JetBlue 737 Super, contact Los Angeles ground on 121.65.
Los Angeles Tower, Philippines 112 Heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 24 right.
Los Angeles Tower.
Oscar Kilo Delta Charlie Alpha, taxi to runway 24 left, contact tower when ready. Emirates,
Los Angeles ground, JetBlue 737 Super, request taxi to parking.
Los Angeles ground, Starwalker 909, ready.
JetBlue 737 Super, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Taxiing to parking, JetBlue 737 Super.
Taxiing to runway 24 left, Starwalker 909. Los Angeles ground, American 184, ready to taxi with information echo.
SkyWest 4018, contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8. American 184, hold position.
Los Angeles ground, Lufthansa 393 Super, ready for pushback with information echo.
Contacting Los Angeles Tower on 119.8, SkyWest 4018.
American 184, please follow instructions or you will be reported.
Holding position, American 184.
Lufthansa 393 Super, pushback approved, expect runway 34 left.
Los Angeles ground, Delta 3743, request taxi to parking. Los Angeles ground, SkyWest 3424, ready for pushback with information echo, requesting runway 24 left.
Pushback approved, Lufthansa 393 Super.
American 184, please wait for clearance before taxiing. American 184, taxi to runway 25 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 25 right, American 184. American 184, request frequency change.
Los Angeles ground, American 4664 Super, ready for pushback.
American 184, you're on an active airport, please contact Los Angeles ground on 121.65. American 184, you're on an active airport, please contact Los Angeles ground on 121.65. Taxiing to runway 25 right, American 184.
Giant 268, taxi to runway 25 right, contact tower when ready. Air France 124 X-ray, taxi to runway 24 left, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 25 right, Giant 268.
Los Angeles ground, Korean Air 130